Morning! Welcome back to day 7, Osaka, Japan. I'm staying in the Uni Street Backpackers hostel, which is in the district of Shinai, just outside of Osaka. It's a 20-minute train journey from the main central Osaka station to Shinai station. Nice quiet little suburb, very peaceful. The breakfast is complimentary and this is what it looks like. Nice little Japanese breakfast. Bon appetit. Currently just in the Apple store. I'm queuing for the iPhone 10. Queuing for about half an hour. Alright guys, take 2. Got the whole way to the Apple store. Queued up for an hour. Didn't have a passport, couldn't buy the iPhone. Then on my way back, my SD card filled up, so I couldn't vlog. So I just got home, got quickly changed, put on chinos for tonight because I'm going to go out to Osaka now and I'm not coming home, so I'm going to stay out. I'm going to go to a nice restaurant, maybe find a nice place to have drinks. And this will be my 5th train of the day that I've paid for. I took the train, subway, train back, now train and subway. It's getting a bit later on in the afternoon, so I'm going to rush back now out of the city to the Apple store. I'm also very sick, I'm run down, got chat lip, got cold, so I'm drinking vitamin C and trying to stay warm. Alright guys, so we've just arrived at Shin Shaibatsu. This is the main shopping, high-end shopping, Dior, Gucci, all the brands on this street. Alright guys, that's us. iPhone purchased. Now I'm off to find a SIM card and a phone case. Then we can go and have some fun. Y Mobile. I reckon they'll have some SIM cards. So Y Mobile does not sell SIM cards, which is very odd to me. Search continues. So I've been into 4 phone shops and they're all telling me I cannot buy a SIM card because you have to live in Japan for 2 years before you can buy a SIM card. So I've got this iPhone and I can't buy a bloody SIM card. I'm going to go to the Family Mart and see if they can sell me one. Everywhere else in the world they just give you a SIM card for free and you don't have to worry about it. So this is very new. So anyway, I can't get a SIM, so I'm going to go to the Family Mart and see if they sell them in there. Usually little convenience stores you can pick up a pretty decent SIM card. So let's go find out. Family Mart does not sell SIM cards. Evening guys, how are we? So I've just finished up filming in Dotonbori. It's a suburb just in the sort of main bar, restaurant, nightlife area of Osaka. I headed out to a nice little Japanese bar. I walked in and the owner was the only person who worked behind the bar. He was the only barman. He owned the place and it was very small, probably 5 seats at the bar. It was just him, me, and just serving me whiskey, having a nice conversation. Now, I've been reading a little bit about Japanese culture and about how they almost live and sort of bring in the essence of, it's called Ikigai in Japanese, and it's a sense of doing the small things very well and doing them for a prolonged period, doing them without any flamboyancy and just paying real attention to small details. For example, that Japanese man, he owned that bar. That's what he did it well, and you can see that across a lot of Japanese businesses and how Japanese people live, and that kind of sums up what Ikigai is and how the Japanese live their lives. And when you read about these things and you kind of go into a place like that, it's nice to sort of get a real life example of some almost obscure concept that you've been reading about, and it's kind of hard to, you know, there's no direct translation of Ikigai into English, so it kind of has to be explained and summarized. So you kind of get to see these concepts that you read about, which is really nice. So guys, that's me for the day. I'm freezing and I'm tired. Yeah, I'm just getting back to the hostel now. I've got some snacks, some water, I've got my coffee for the morning. I want to make sure I get up early tomorrow. Now that I've got my phone sorted, I can get out. I think the plan is to go up to Nara for the deers and a few other bits and pieces around Osaka. So I'm just going to head in here, get to bed. So good night, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow my lovely channel. Thank you. Good night.